Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be removing Range Rover L322 door card. There are 4 screws and dozens of retainer clips holding the door card to the door, and to remove the screws you will need a T20 screwdriver bit. The first 2 screws are located at the lower portion of the door card. Each screw has different sizes, so make sure you are putting the screws on at the correct location. The third screw is at the inner door handle. This is the longest screw. The last screw is hidden in the Land Rover badge. Place a flat head and lift up the badge. You can also use a plastic lever. Now that there are no screws, all you need to do now is pull the door card towards you using a plastic lever or your hand to unclip the retainer clips. It would be better to lock the door to remove the door card, as the lock pin may be in your way. Now that the door card is loose, you will need to remove the connectors from the window switch and the door light, and if you have extra sound system, and lastly the door handle wire. I removed the door light completely as it was easier for me as I was holding the camera and also the door card. For the window switch connector, you only need to pull it. Finally, the door card was removed itself, but to remove it you just need to unclick the pin from the side. And to reattach it, you will need to put the wire to its slot and push the plastic clip so it clicks to its position. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.